Setting up customer support on Shopify involves creating an efficient system to address inquiries and concerns from your customers. Here's how to do it. Create contact options. Offer multiple contact options such as email, phone support, live chat, and the contact form. You can integrate third-party customer support apps like Zendesk, Gorgias, or Freshdesk to manage inquiries efficiently. Set response times. Establish clear response times for customer inquiries. Aim to respond to emails and contact form submissions within 24 hours, and provide real-time support via live chat or phone during business hours. FAQ page. Create a frequently asked questions page to address common inquiries. Include information about shipping, returns, product specifications, and other relevant topics to reduce the number of support tickets. Automated responses. Set up automated responses for common inquiries. Use email autoresponders or chatbots to provide immediate assistance and direct customers to relevant resources. Training and guidelines. Train your customer support team on Shopify policies, product knowledge, and communication etiquette. Provide guidance for handling different types of inquiries and resolving customer issues effectively. Feedback and improvement. Continuously collect feedback from customers to identify areas for improvement. Use customer feedback to optimize your support processes and enhance the overall customer experience.